Hi everyone, I'm Jacob from Front, and today I'm going to show you how Front streamlines shipper and carrier communication. Does your communication workflow look anything like this? A shipper writes into a quotes at distro, and this message gets sent to everyone in the group. You probably also have distros for operations, finance, the list goes on. And you aren't just communicating over email, you're also switching between phone, texting, WhatsApp, web chat, and more. The challenge with this workflow is that it's disjointed, leading to unclear ownership, missed messages or duplicate replies, and ultimately upset customers and lost revenue. The good news is there's a better way to communicate with shippers and carriers. Meet Front. Front is the AI-powered customer service platform that streamlines communications for 3PLs. Front has powerful AI automation, shared visibility, real-time collaboration, analytics, and so much more. We work with more than 500 logistics and transportation companies, from the top 25 like Echo, Trafix, and Uber Freight, to mid-sized brokerages like Edge Logistics and ARL Network. Let's jump into the demo and I'll show you how to streamline communication with Front. I'll start by orienting you with the layout. You'll notice that Front looks and feels like Gmail or Outlook, making it easier to learn and adopt. On the left-hand side, you'll find your individual and team workspaces. The individual workspace is where you can manage your individual work email and messages that you've been assigned from a team workspace. Team workspaces replace the confusing distribution group setups that folks are currently using with shared inboxes that have clear ownership and manager visibility. You can also bring in SMS, WhatsApp, phone, and other channels and manage them all from a single platform. No more constant switching between tools. Front makes it easy to categorize and assign messages automatically, so your team can respond faster. Let's take a look. When a new message comes in, it can be automatically assigned using standard round-robin logic or custom criteria like account ownership. You can integrate your CRM or TMS data to power these workflows. For example, Thai TMS shows that I'm the owner for this account, so I've automatically been assigned the message. We've also set up response time goals so I can be held accountable to providing top-tier service. It looks like the shipper is asking for a quote for a full truckload shipment. Front's AI tagging automatically categorized this as FTL based on the weight. Tags can also be used for workflow automation and reporting, letting you build tailored workflows and gain granular insights. Now that messages are being automatically routed, let's take a look at how you can respond to quotes faster using your preferred freight tech partner. Front integrates with email automation tools like Levity, Vuma, Everest AI, Drumkit, and Speed to Quote so that you can respond to shippers even faster. For this example, I'll use Vuma to create a quote. Vuma will automatically detect the information in the email body, like commodity type, DIMS, and the route, and will generate a quote based on your rating tool, like Greenscreens AI. I'll go ahead and insert this draft and send it off to the shipper. This significantly streamlines the quoting process and allows us to participate in more bidding and win more loads. Front enables you to collaborate seamlessly and get up to speed in an instant when you're looped into a thread. Let's see this in action. The shipper wrote back, asking to see if we could get more aggressive on pricing. I need to escalate this to my manager for approval, so I'll loop him in using an @ mention. Now, he has visibility into the conversation and he can get up to speed using Front's AI Assist to automatically summarize this conversation and suggest next steps. Looks like Mike approved the margin, so now I can get back to the shipper. This is a huge efficiency boost because I didn't need to forward the message, hop over to Teams, or send emails about emails. Instead, I'm able to focus on getting out a fast reply. Now that we got approval to move forward, let's take a look at how Front's productivity features increase agent efficiency when working with shippers and carriers. AI Compose lets me spend more time helping customers and less time drafting emails. Responding to this quote, I will use AI to expand the $1,500 price, and we can see that it automatically generates an email that's ready to send. I also want to make sure I follow up if I don't hear back in the next hour, so I'm going to use the send and snooze capability, which will bring this message back to the top of my inbox before the end of the day if it goes unanswered. Finally, SOPs and process flows can be documented using Front's native knowledge-based solution and accessed directly in your inbox. This allows me to quickly reference process information without having to switch screens or ask a teammate. Front automation and integrations allow you to create truly seamless communication workflows. Let's check it out. The carrier responded, letting me know the load has been delivered. You'll notice that relevant information has been linked out at the top of the email, like the Thai TMS shipment ID and highway carrier identity information. Carriers are tagged based on data in highway, with approved or do not use. We've set up workflows to route approved carriers to the team and to route potential bad actors to a quarantine inbox. You can also update your TMS directly from Front to further increase efficiency. I can run this update shipment macro, choose the status of delivered, and it will update the status in my TMS and send a message using a Front message template with dynamic variables automatically populated. These automations dramatically improve agent productivity, allowing them to cover more loads per person per day. Front also gives you powerful analytics to track team performance and customer satisfaction, unlocking critical insights that are simply not possible with email alone. In the workload report, I can see metrics like message volume, reply time, and busiest time of the day. A heat map gives me a visual of the busiest times. This information helps to staff accordingly or identify bottlenecks. For example, if we see that there's heavy traffic in the morning, we may plan to staff an extra teammate. I can also check in on individual performance, which helps to reward those who go above and beyond and identify folks who may need a little bit of extra coaching. Hopping to the tags report, this helps me see what topics and questions are coming up most frequently. You can also keep a finger on the pulse of your customer satisfaction over time, ensuring that you're always driving for 5-star customer experiences. You can't improve what you can't measure. By having these insights, you can dramatically improve team performance and deliver unmatched customer service. Front helps you reduce your email volume by up to 80%, respond in minutes, and eliminate missed messages. Shared inbox with assignments, SLA roles, and collaboration hold your teams accountable. By streamlining your internal processes, you can increase revenue and the output of your teams without adding headcount. Front is trusted by over 500 3PLs, including Echo, Estes Forwarding Worldwide, Priority One, and more. Head to front.com or email us at sales@front.com to learn more.